So here's our Phase 4 prototype. Compared to Phase 3, we've brought all the components off of the helmet type structure cabled together and internally cabled into one single enclosure. We've also added our Ravenswood mini tracker, which is a GPS and radio. So the GPS allows us to seamlessly transition from tracking outdoors to indoors, and also can help calibrate the tracking solution when it's available. It's not necessary to continue tracking indoors. The 915 megahertz radio has a greater range compared to Wi-Fi, for example, and in keeping with the spirit and the rules of the competition, we wanted to untether our solution from reliance on Wi-Fi. Our mounting system integrates an off-the-shelf body camera mounting system, which uses this octagon-shaped lug here to slide into a socket. You slide it into the socket, rotated 180 degrees, and it's quickly and easily fixed in position and fixed from rotating. Alright, so I've reassembled the enclosure, and I'm just going to demonstrate mounting it onto this firefighting dummy. Our dummy is wearing one example of a body cam mount, and all I'm going to do is slide this lug into the socket and rotate it 180 to lock it into position. And that's all there is to it. In case the first responder is wearing protective equipment such as the SCBA and helmet, we can use this magnetic system to mount the prototype anywhere that doesn't intrude with their gear. For a plainclothes application, something as simple as this shoulder harness could be used to mount the prototype. This is Roxy. Roxy stands for Remote Orion XCon for instrumentation. This is our all-in-one portable, exportable base station. Roxy includes a computer to run the Orion and related services, a GPS time server, and a TDMA radio. This allows us to be untethered from any Wi-Fi network, such as our Phase 3 setup where we ran a laptop with just the vision tracking software. For Phase 4, we'll be able to bring data all the way back to be visualized on a map, and then we'll also be able to convert that into the data format that the challenge is looking for. The TDMA radio inside of Roxy will let us run up to about 50 players at the same time and keep that 4 Hz update rate for the challenge. Conversely, you could slow down that update rate if you wanted to and run up to maybe 200, 400 players at one time. Roxy has some I/O presented outwards so that you can push video, for example, for after action review to a projector screen or an Ethernet port in case you were going to link into an existing network and push this common operating picture out even more remotely.